guys, how are you? So today we have few items and we have jewelries also, and today also I'm wearing a black dress because there is something in there that it's nice with a black dress. So before that one, let me flex first our jewelries. So we have here our pearl earring. This one is so cheap. And then we have also our floral necklace. That's a floral necklace. And our butterfly necklace also. And our ring, the tulip. And then we have also our ring, the diamond. So we have to be careful now because we don't want to destroy this one. We don't want to. God! So we have to be careful with our unboxing. Okay, so if you're interested with the jewelries we're wearing, please feel free to message me. I think I'm going to September. Okay, we will start first with our... Start na tayo sa ating mga goods. So we have here a lotion, a body lotion. It's from Japan and it's so beautiful on the skin. This is what I'm using, and this one is perfect, especially now it's when it's summer, so you don't want it too sticky on your skin. So this one is so light and so good. You cannot buy this one here in Australia. So this is all of this one is just for me because I'm using them. But if you're interested to try, I'm willing to sell this one to you guys. So just message. And then we have also a black coffee. Yeah, a diet coffee. We have a diet coffee. What's good with this coffee, guys? If you're going to buy this one, you're also supporting a charity, something a charity over in Africa through the Japanese people. So if you like, and then we have also the 16 grains again. 16 grains of rice. This one is so good. This is what I am eating also. You have to mix this one with the rice. And this is all from Japan. Mix it with the rice, and then it comes in 16 kinds of grains. Quinoa, millets, I forgot the rest. And it has 8 packs in it. And so we have here a wallet, agenda, PM size. Malinis po yan siya. Meron lang siyang kunting lagkit dito, pero nilinisan ko yan siya, so mawawala yan siya. So it's an agenda. And then this one is what I'm talking about. That's why I'm wearing a black now. It's a Salvatore chain belt. And it comes with a box, comes with a dust bag, a dust cloth. This is our Salvatore chain belt. Pwede siya sa pants and also for the dress. Black dress, but it's not just for black dress. It's up to you how you're going to style this one. So, ganyan lang siya, guys. Okay, ay. Depende sa inyo pa. Pero maganda talaga yung gagawin siya. Diba? Mag-post mo na ako para sa akin cover. Ako yung makakawin ng way. Nag-roll na yung aking. Nag-roll yung aking shaper. So yan po ang ating chain belt na Salvatore. Mahaba po to, guys. Pero pag maliit yung waistline nyo, pwede nyo i-double. Kaso lang din naman kasi ganun kalit yung waistline ko. Pwede nyo siya i-double. And then, so it comes with a dust cloth and a box. So, we will go with our jewelries. Okay. So we have our jewelries here. This is black diamond in 18 karat white gold set. Grabe yung kinang niya, oh. Sige, black diamond. Ganda niyan. Kinang talaga yan siya sa And then, we have also a chain necklace. Chain. $40. And we have another necklace. But I think this one would be mine. So yun po, ating necklace. Ganda nito. So yun po, ating necklace. Ganda nito, guys. And then we have a ring. It's a 7 hearts ring. And then we have also a very tiny diamond earrings, perfect for your little girls. Sakit talaga yung lalamunan ko eh. napaka-dainty. So yan yung ating diamond na earrings na super liit. And then, we have these earrings. Pabitay siya, guys. Yan, pag-suot. And then, bilisan na natin to. Kaya hindi na ako nag-unboxing minsan kasi puno na kasi storage ng phone ko. Because we have our butterfly earrings. And then, the last, we have this ring. Sapphire with diamond. So yan po ang jewelries natin, guys. Okay guys, that's all for today. And nagre-reklamo na yung phone ko kasi wala na tanaw ng storage. So, that's all for today guys, and thank you so much.